Let's talk about cloud phone systems for a moment. On this short video, here's what we're going to cover. It's your choice. Why to choose a cloud phone system? Why not to choose a cloud phone system? The real costs of a cloud phone system and the as-a-service model. So firstly, it's your choice. You can choose a cloud phone system, a virtual phone system, or an on-premise phone system, and each of those suits specific and particular business requirements. So make sure you talk to an expert about your unique situation. So let's focus on cloud and why to choose a cloud phone system. Well, you may prefer the as-a-service model, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. You may not have suitable infrastructure to host your own phone system, and that's often the case. You'd like to reduce your one-time setup costs of establishing your own infrastructure or your own hosting. And you like the security of knowing that everything is taken care of for you. But of course the caveat on that is that you must be certain about response times and service level offered by your provider. Sadly, we're seeing in the industry now that customers are being let down by their cloud phone system provider when it comes to the critical aspect of service and support. So why wouldn't you choose a cloud phone system? Well, if you have your own server, you can host your own. You may have your own capable support staff already. You'd like to reduce your monthly recurring costs, or if you don't have suitable, dedicated and reliable broadband, you'll need another option other than cloud phone systems. So let's think about the real cost now. Setup and configuration of routers and switches. That's a mandatory requirement whether you're using a cloud phone system, a virtual phone system, or an on-premise solutions. Without those things being done correctly and by a voice expert, you will experience trouble with your phone system. The cost difference between all three is negligible when you're using a voice expert, and over the lifetime of the phone system, the costs for all three are pretty much the same. So when people say on-premise phone systems are very expensive, look, that's a myth. It used to be the case years ago, but it's not anymore. The as-a-service model. So an as-a-service model allows you to pay for access, but it often doesn't include support. So response time is very, very important consideration when it comes to your phone system. For example, at Phones Now, if we have a customer who's experiencing difficulty with their phone system, or if their phone system is down, we drop everything and run, because we understand that when your phones stop, your business stops. So make sure that your as-a-service offering includes great service. You cannot afford to have your phones down. So in conclusion, cloud phone systems are a great option if it's right for you. Your cloud phones need to be configured by a voice expert to avoid downstream troubles and challenges. And of course, make sure that you have reliable and responsive support packaged in to your cloud phone system offering. What the best option for you is, then call us on 1300 58 4000, ask to speak to Greg, and you'll get an expert opinion on what's right for your business.